kababayan. Isa na naman po itong adventure, family adventure. Magsisimula na naman po aming mag-hike sa Grassy Lake, and then punta kami na ano din pupuntahan ba natin isa? Grassy Lake.
Start na ulit pa.
You're right, but Grassy Lake Trail. Ito yung parking. Nakita mo naman maraming parking. So magbasa, mabilis mga bata.
Stretching. Para hindi sumakit paa nyo. Ganon? Picture mo na. Picture.
Magana.
Oh, let's go, let's go. Asa si Lala?
Asan bigyan mo siya?
Anak yung ano? Let's go, let's go. Ano ba yan? Gutom na? Hindi pa nagsisimula? Tingin nga. Hindi. Saka mamaya sabagi pandibdib mo.
Okay lang ito pag ganito ma.
Look at her, kuya.
Oh my God, the first one is gonna get eaten.
No, I'll carry you and then we'll run together, Arya.
I'll guide you. We'll leave your kuya though, because your kuya has a weapon. Look at your kuya, ready for action.
Aya, how are you?
Smile on the camera. What happened to you?
I don't like the things that
Your leg. There's nothing going on your leg. You're hungry already. Did you not eat breakfast? No? You want some cookies?
Hi.
dapat dyan, hindi ko nakikita. Layo nyo.
Babalik sila ulit.
Nila ako ah. It's gonna take forever. Na, bundok na.
Is it alright? Sama yun nga. Hindi galing dyan sila mo.
Oo, nagpapakari na tuloy. Bala ka niya. Si Awi na magpapakari. Oh, yeah, saka! Carry us. Carry Ashton. Dad, Ashton can carry ano. Uy, mahulog ka Ashton. Carry Athena. It's okay. I can carry Ali on my shoulders. Later. Kaya pa rin. Oh, yeah. This is smart lang kasi siya. Yeah, because Arya's no, she can do it, right? Ali, you're strong. Because you're ninja kid. Are you ninja kid?
Baru delete lang na, di ba strong ka?
Strong ka bata, di ba?
Strong, independent woman.
Di ba?
Pagtanong mo sa akin, tsaka ganyan ba kataas pa?
Alin?
Tulad nung hinay ko. Mataas pa?
Uy, baka malaglag yun. Huwag kayo dito magano ha. Kasi tingin nyo pag malaglag kayo. Dire-diretso nyo.
Of course, at least someone is coming out.
Ay, hawa ka mo nga si Arya.
Are you crossing?
Oh, sabit. Madulas ha, madulas. Tingnan nyo naman babaksakan, no?
Ashton,
Ashton, always go in the right.
Oh yeah, finally I see.
Eh, nag-uulan eh.
Oh wait, may mapipicture. Ali, Chucky. Look here, there. Chucky. Everyone, Chucky.
Chocolate.
Okay na to. Ano ba? Bakit din ka po? Dapat na kami! Sa bato, hindi doon.
I have sleep for you upstairs. I have.
No, you didn't get the good last time, huh? Last time, hindi ka kaya niya mo. Dito kasi yung tao. Mamaya.
Almost there.
Hawak kayo, hawak.
Ano sila latte? Grabe, melo tayo. Ha? Tingnan. Oo, super. Oh, why you going up so much? Oh, it's still going up. Why is it still going up?
Sing go there.
I'm done hiking. I don't know what it's
You can do it.
Come here, Katina. I'll hold you. Sige, kuya, unahan mo.
See, you can do it.
Dito kayo sinihawakan.
Come here. You hold here. Come here. Bilang ako naman kasi.
Ang galing dito, may hawakan naman eh.
Wala na ganun ba?
Hindi, pinalagay ko ito bago ito may malis.
Sabi mo, punta kayo.
Mga tinawag ko. Ay, palagyan nyo ng ano ha. Hindi na ko lang tinawag yun eh. Kasi Doraemon ang gumawa eh.
Picture, look. Look here. 1, 2, smile. Okay, give me water now. Ali yan.
Uy, na ba ng side na baka malagyan nyo ng side?
Oh, Ashton na. Water, Arisha.
Like that? Ganyan.
Arya, oh, water.
Haba po. Haba na yan.
Wala na.
Kinaya natin to.
As long as it's not ice. Yeah.
Kaya nga eh.
It's not ice, then we can't put that.
Doon ata
Oh,
tayo
yeah,
na
no.
gano'n.
Because before this was ice, not snow. It
Yeah.
was so slippery.
The water is ice, so that's why we have to do it like this. Ito yung hirap na hirap tayo.
No, there were no rocks.
Hirap lang. Pag hirap na hirap.
Hirap lang po.
Oh, yan, hirap lang. Katina, how are you? Not good? Oh, why are you running? Yeah, there, straight. There. Yeah. Go. See, you can do it, right? Ayan, malapit na. Turning back na. We're turning back na. Yeah, we're turning back na. Okay. No.
We're going up the mountain. We're going down. It's for hiking. That song is for hiking. Hiking in the mountain. See, look, Tito Jokbok is scared too. See? You know Tito Jokbok is scared of heights? Are you scared of heights? Yes. I don't think so because we do like hardcore rides or something.
Ano kayo ito rin? Oh, may kinukulak yun.
Ano nga yun? Meron po.
Hala, tapos na ito. Tubig ba?
Gusto niyo may nag-parachute kanina?
Happy dyan ako kayo dyan. Aya, alilo.
Oh, muna. Oh, lakad na.
Okay. They're cold droppers because they're supposed to drop on you and they're really heavy.
Well, bears are heavy no matter how small they are. They fall from a very Okay. Where are they looking at? Well, they might think that we are.
No, that's their way to survive, like,
Just dropping on people. Well, you're a source of food, so might as well drop on you in.
finally.
Rib, now you're like a mountain lion now. What's the name of the Huntrix manager?
Tapos may mga setup na ano, viewpoint, no?
Name all the
May mga viewpoints siya.
Sa maganda sa Beehive sa Lake Louise, may viewpoint, dalawa. Yung
Mas mataas doon?
may tea house doon.
Oh, mas mataas?
Oo, mataas. Taas yun.
It's called
900 ay 1,000 plus.
the wild card among the three.
Marami tubig ngayon kasi nag-uulan.
Just one try. Who's the wild card?
Oh, yeah.
The wildest.
Tapusin natin. Yung grass.
Ayun, may isa na.
Ito ng Grassy Lake. Ganun. Sana dinala niyo yung ano, paddleboard.
Wala dyan.
Okay, next.
Pag-climbing naman si Papa eh.
Saan? Doon?
Wala makikita mo.
Dito ka, dito ka.
Wala, nag-aasama sila.
Aston, wait.
You only know bubbles, okay. So what's the color of bubbles? Okay, good.
That's why I know bubbles.
Green.
Yeah. May swimming doon? Gusto ko ay. Eh bakit tayo sinabi mo mag-ano na lang?
Ginugulo niyo plano.